Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to Viewers. In here you will see mostly unboxing of online products, learn different kinds of geeks, tricks, and tips in live electronics, gaming, and other cool related ideas. Today, I'm gonna showing you these items na binili natin sa online shop. Ito isang seamless wear. Bakit ba? Original multifunction seamless wear. Usually nilalagay ito sa pwede gawing neckerchief, headband, blind chicken, wristband, so on and so forth. Ilalagay ko yan sa description box below. So we're gonna try one of these guys. Saan ba yung gusto nyo? Parang type ko ito. So let's check the quality guys. Sa seller, thank you na baka responsive. Okay, yan, nagtry ako gawa nito last time ng akin lang, pero ang problema ko yung pagtahi, yung galing dito papunta doon. Pero ito siya, parang wala ka makitang tahi. Open pa tayo ng isa guys. Ito pang military, parang maganda kasi. Pasensya na sa lightning guys, medyo not so clear. Yan, assorted pala ito guys, kasi dun sa seller natin pagpili ko, wala kang pwedeng pagpilian kundi assorted lang, or ano ba yun, parang sila na yung pumili. And guys, dito rin yung parang link nila na bagdugtong. Yan yung gaano siya kakapal, medyo manipis siya. And then kung lalagay natin sa neck, parang medyo comfortable naman. So yan guys, that's all for this item guys. May tatlo pa tayo. Yan. Hopefully guys, later may mga sponsor na tayo guys to preview their items, and syempre magi-giveaways tayo later. Anyway, to Bandrich SBM, hi, alam kong manonood ka na naman ito, talagang inabang-abangan mo yung channel ko. Thank you very much. Subscribe nyo siya guys. Thank you, bye bye.